Welcome back, everybody, to another video of Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Today I'm sporting a new fancy Beginners Barbecue apron. Looks very good. Thanks to my wife, she did this. So back to the video. We're doing a carne asada breakfast burrito. Yeah, I'm ready to do this. I'm a little hungry, so let's get it rolling. Let's fire up that Blackstone. Alright guys, let's get this started. So we're gonna put in our hash browns for the frozen hash browns ones that we got. So I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to get them going. Here's my meat. It's already cut. This is the carne asada meat. Now the beauty of this is that you guys can use any kind of meat you guys want. You guys want to substitute this carne asada with sausage, then you can grab sausage like the ground sausage or even the round sausage and cut them in pieces. That would work. So put this in there. I got eggs here. I did 3 eggs, scrambled them, get them ready. I'm going to add some cheese. It's going to be a really good one. We're excited to try this. So the way these are going to work, okay, this is going to work. I'm going to cut them. Once they're good enough to cut, then I'm going to cut them in little tiny pieces. That way it goes there perfect and it cooks faster that way. The temp that I'm using, the knobs here that I have them on, is on medium high. I like to cook in medium high on pretty much everything. Unless it's something that I know it's going to take time, or I have a lot of time, I like to just want to hang out in here, then I'll lower it. Other than that, medium high. Got some more oil on that. Here's the big tortilla that I'm using. On the carne asada, you want to look for that gray color. Right now I see gray, but I see some red. You know, so you want to wait till you have that not dark gray, but a little light, darker gray. And that's how you can tell it's done. So I'm going to lower that temp. I'm going to lower these two low because the meat's getting done. But these guys are taking their sweet time. There you go, see? Now I can do this. That way this will be done quicker. There's that one. The meat looks like it's almost ready. Now if you guys can smell this, my God, it smells good. This smells great. Okay guys, this is going to be a big burrito. So now I can lower all the temps to low. because the egg is, you don't need it that high for the eggs or the tortilla. So now that my meat is all looking gray, it's pretty much close to getting done. This is pretty much almost done. Now we could do the egg, because the egg takes what, a minute? Smell delicious. Now I can put the tortilla in there. So pretty much all my temps now are low, because everything's pretty much towards the end of being done. So I can lower the temp just so I can get my eggs and my tortilla cooked. See, the egg is perfect to go right on the tortilla. This, everything, boom, will be all together. I got some cheese to go with it. Look at that. Now here's a trick. To get this cheese nice and melted. A little bit of water. Our tortilla looks like it's pretty much ready. A little more. And with all this stuff right here, it's going to get all the hotness here. So, here we go, guys. Here we go. This is the beauty right here. This is what we've all been waiting for. That look good, huh? That looks good. Alright, so we're going to wrap this. And so we're going to be back and I'll show you guys how in the world we're going to wrap this. So there is our big breakfast burrito. Look at that. Close it like that. Hold everything in there. Roll it, just like that. Ooh. There's a burrito. Now let's give it a cut. Look at that. That looks good. Now, what I like, the favorite part of the video. Let's give it a taste. Alright, so here we have it. Breakfast carne asada burrito. Man, it smells great. It looks great, and I know it tastes great because you just know it. You smell it, the taste, the spices, you all that. Bam, there. Now, this is amazing. Has a lot of cheese too. I put cheese in there, you name it. So, eggs, cheese, hash brown, carne asada meat. You guys can use whatever meat you guys want instead of the carne asada. Whatever you guys have in the kitchen, good enough for me. Good enough for you, good enough for me. So, let's get water. Let's try it. Damn! This is great. Oh God. This is so good. Before I wasn't a breakfast burrito type person back in the day. Well, last year, I don't know. Taste buds are different. But this is great. Hope you guys enjoy this and you guys are able to go do one just like this and come out good. So make sure you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.